If I pull my hand back flatter and play through the string, there's more weight to it. I can go further before it starts to strike. And then if I push down through the string, it's kind of a sort of alternate version of pulling up. Hello, welcome to this month's Musical U bass pack. This month we're talking about one of my favourite topics, which is timbre. Timbre meaning the distinct sonic qualities of the sound of your instrument. The minute that you plug an instrument in, if you're playing an electric instrument, which we are because that's what the electric bass is, you become a sound designer. Whether or not you want to, you are designing sound. You are shaping the sound. The only possible kind of meaningful split in terms of how a sound is produced on an instrument is between completely acoustic and the choices you make in order to amplify and alter that signal bass. Every other aspect of what I'm doing here at the moment is being controlled by my fingers. You'll notice, if you've been watching the past videos, that I switch between playing with the side of my thumb, the nail on my thumb, which I use both down and up, my fingers, my fingernails, and then picking between my thumb and my fingers. Angle at which you strike the string. So if you're the kind of player that puts your hand over the top, plays up through the string, if you pull away from the neck, it's quite a twangy sound. It's kind of cool. If I do it softly,